Today our team will present IT plan business by looking at the value propositions. Our value proposition is to help students graduate on time through this smart academic planning. The app provides the graduation tracking, GPA planning, cost reviews, reminders, and personalized cost recommendations. Using automated degree auditing and predictive analytics, students can monitor their progress and estimate their future GPA. And next slide is the customer segments. Our main customers are university students, including freshmen, exchange students, and seniors. We also support academic advisors by providing student analytics. This system uses the data to identify different student needs and deliver the personalized recommendations. And next, by looking at the customer relationships side, we aim to build the long-term relationship through a self-service platform. Students receive the push notifications, use AI chatbots for quick support, and access personalized dashboard and share feedback and cost review to improve the communities. And by looking at channels, our service will be available through the mobile app and responsive website. We'll promote it using social media, using university portals or QR code campaign on campus to make it easy for students to discover and access the platform. And next,
let's move to the next part, which is key partnerships. For our proposed business, we will have mobile apps both on iOS App Store and also the Google Play. And we also use QR promotion on our campus and social media. And how IT will be used? We will use mobile app on both platform, both system for responsive website, social media, and university portals. And next is the key activities. For our proposed business, we have app development on curriculum updates, GPA prediction and calculation, managing cost review moderation, data synchronization with university and customer service. And how IT will be used? We will use software and technology development, database management, AI model updates to optimize more efficient, security moderation, and also the system maintenance.
Next is the key resources. For proposed business, we have developers, curriculum database, cloud infrastructure, and student community. How will we use database, cloud server, mobile app, API, and user data. Next, our revenue streams. For proposed business, we have the sponsor ads from other businesses and university. So basically, we'll use advertising-based model. How it will be used? Digital payment ads and university licensing systems. The last one, the cost structure. For proposed business, we have app development, maintenance, marketing, cloud hosting, and customer service. And for how it will be used, we have cloud hosting, developmental to cybersecurity, maintenance, API integration, technical support.
And here what our application prototype look like. At Planner Plus help you track graduation requirements, plan your GPA, and choose the right courses so you don't miss any credits and requirements all in one simple, friendly app. So we have the page of GPA goal setting. We can set our GPA, our goal, what grades, what GPA you want to gain, and we will provide a page of the current grade that you have. Contains the information, the list of the courses you have to take, like general education, design, and all the requirements. Does it sound familiar to y'all? So the problem that most students faces is missing requirements. Some students just forget what they have taken and what's left. Many students don't know which courses they have completed or which graduation requirements are still missing. That leads to the waste of the semester. Some students, without clear picture, students register for unnecessary courses or miss some requirements once entirely. And that also delay that graduation. Small mistakes like this early on can add to the extra trimester, semester, or more before you graduate. like you're supposed to graduate on time, but you just keep taking the courses you don't know you have to take, or you miss the courses you have to take. So our application Ed Planner Plus brings everything you need to stay on track into a simple, friendly app. Everything you've needed is in one place. We have the features of requirements tracking, GPA goal setting, courses review, and the constant notification to send to you so you don't miss anything. For the requirements tracking, we can see the exact which graduation requirements you have completed and what's left, and grouped by the category like Gen free elective, and all in one view. For GPA goal setting, we will let the user be able to set their target GPA. You want to get 3.8, 4.0 GPA, and find out exactly what grades you need in order to remain your courses to get there. Like how many A, how many B you have to gain in like the specific courses of that credit, so it adds up to your GPA goal. We will let students who have taken that specific courses they have taken in the past to be able to review, to write their comments about the courses, so that will benefit for the student who comes after and read these comments, and they help them decide whether they want to take the courses or not. And also we will let them like do the polls, ask about the content about education and about the specific courses. We will send notification beforehand so they don't miss the registration date, because some students often forget to register, they miss the deadline, and they just miss the opportunity to get in that specific courses. Move on to, we built this app not only for our campus Mahidol. This app is available with every university, whether Chulalongkorn, Thammasat, Ksesat. We can all use this app that is different from the Sky Plus or the app of that each university, with more features, more functions that helps students. And why Ed Planner Plus? Because other apps like MUIC Sky app have basic functions that lack the ability to truly assist students in decision making or as reminders about their major courses. So Ed Planner Plus will help us to achieve our goal.
Okay, now we moving on to search feature, which is this one, search feature. So in this feature you can search the course. We have a filter, university, and category and semester. So basically when you search the course, it will show like this, and then you can click to watch the review, how many people review, how the rate 4.6, and how other students comment about this course. For this example, really open my eye to global issue, discuss heavy, but the professor give great feedback on every paper. And also you can rate this course also. After you finish the course, put your name, your experience, and post the review, and it will show like this in other mobile also. So this is the search feature.
Okay, so everyone, so now we're gonna move on to the profile page. So this is essentially the concept preview, the demo data. So as you can see right here, this is the custom name, and then below we could have the customer or clients subheadings, where they were from, like they were studying in Mahidol universities, they were majoring in business administration and what years they were currently on. And then if you can scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see that um, how far is your progress before reaching the graduation. So for example, right here, this person is 72% complete, so they're still missing a few more courses before they able to do a graduation. And you can see it right here. There's categories that the clients can check, like general education. They have taken 9 courses so far out of 12, and then there was a major course of how many courses they have to take, and then how many electives they have left. So something like that. This kind of gives clear ideas of how many things that they have to do or complete before they can do a graduation, and not doing a mistake like taking like repeat course from a same basket, something like that. And then below here you can see another feature that we have, the tool GPA goal. Like if the customer or student wants to get a certain numbers of the GPA, how many courses they had to take to reach that goal. So example right here, the target is 3.75 and the current is 3.42. This also has some kind of like calculation that you are 0.23 away from target GPA. And then you can see right here this like very common feature, like what happens if you have what are the courses that you have taken this term, and what are your grades so far. If, for example, like if you get A, how would it affect your GPA at overall? For example, if you're gonna type A in every single one of these, every single course, design thinking, and then below here we have a calculate my GPA. So you're gonna click it, then boom, GPA for this course is 4.0, and then it's gonna rouse up your current GPA a little bit to 3.459, and then not just that, we also have our remaining courses. Like in the future courses, if you plan to take these courses and you are thinking like, okay, what if I take this course and actually get A, B plus, something like this, what would happen to my overall future GPA? So we can make some very convenient prediction. So I'm just gonna add all this as a and check the grade. So it's going to round up it, and there it is. That is one of our GPA tool. And aside from that, we also have the reminder settings that will help giving a subtle reminder for the students like, okay, your registration for the course is coming soon. Don't forget. They will also have a missing requirement alerts what are courses you are missing, or what the courses you are like looking for that will be open next term, something like that. So this will all going to help you in making your life more convenient in the universities. And then on to the next page, we have the contact. Like if the students or the clients or the sponsor, they have any questions, they want to give us the feedback, or they want to do a partnership with us, they can contact us from multiple social media platforms, for example, like, Facebook or the Instagram, or maybe just an email is fine as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for our concept idea of the Ed Planet Plus. So thank you everyone.